Hello, and welcome to this exciting video where we'll uncover the fascinating process of photosynthesis. Have you ever wondered how plants create their own food? Using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide, they perform a miraculous process that sustains life on Earth. Let's dive in and explore how this works step by step. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a process where green plants use sunlight to convert water and carbon dioxide into glucose and oxygen. The simple equation looks like this. This process happens inside tiny structures called chloroplasts, which are found in plant cells. Stages of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis happens in two main stages. Light-dependent reactions. Light-independent reactions, also called the Calvin cycle. Light-dependent reactions. In the first stage, called light-dependent reactions, sunlight is absorbed by chlorophyll, a pigment in the chloroplasts. This light energy splits water molecules into oxygen, protons, and electrons. Oxygen is released into the atmosphere, while the energy carriers, ATP and NADPH, are formed to fuel the next stage. Think of this stage as the power generator for the plant, producing energy to make food. The Calvin cycle, light-independent reactions. The second stage, called the Calvin cycle, doesn't need light to occur. Instead, it uses the energy from ATP and NADPH, along with carbon dioxide from the air, to create glucose. Glucose is a sugar molecule that serves as food for the plant, providing energy and building materials for growth. Why is photosynthesis important? Photosynthesis is not just important for plants but for all life on Earth. It produces oxygen, which we need to breathe. It forms the base of the food chain, supporting animals and humans. It helps regulate the Earth's carbon cycle, maintaining a balance in the atmosphere. To sum up, photosynthesis is truly a fascinating process that powers life on Earth. From the tiniest algae to the tallest trees, this natural miracle sustains us all. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more educational content.